Game failing to initialize because of the DirectX 10 DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows System Specialist. Let's sync your multimedia environment and get you back to gaming. Avoid long manual edits for DirectX 10 by using the suggested repair utility in the description. This is the DirectX 10 Update 36, a legacy DirectX 10 helper component. It provides unmanaged routines for rendering effects, facilitating the 3D data link for games requiring the November 2007 runtime manifest. Since we've covered what this file is, let's move to the primary fix. DirectX is often associated with game graphics and audio processing. Reinstall the Microsoft DirectX End-User Runtime to restore legacy DirectX files and update your GPU drivers for OpenCL, OpenGL, or CUDA support. If the error persists despite the new library files, we must verify if a simple synchronization conflict is preventing the file from loading. Performing a restart can determine if the error is just a transient environment glitch. A reboot refreshes your system's path variables and can sometimes reestablish a broken link to the DirectX 10 file. Bookmark this video or click the like button now so that you have a shortcut back to this guide after your PC finishes restarting. Rebooting was just the start. Now, let's apply the core fix in this third step. Feel free to pause the video if you need a second to navigate. Since the restart didn't stabilize your graphics files, let's manually refresh the multimedia layer by running the DirectX End-User Runtime installer. This package targets the specific legacy binaries that modern games require to initialize their engines, and it will overwrite any corrupted version of your DLL file currently on your drive. Why are we doing this? Well, modern Windows installations skip these older files during setup, so running the standalone runtime ensures that the file is properly registered and available for your software. I want to share a quick best practice that will help you avoid security complications in the future. Safety first, never attempt to replace DirectX 10 DLL with files found on random download portals. These sites lack quality control and often distribute files that are incompatible with modern Windows updates. For those looking for a professional-grade monitoring resource, I've provided a link to a diagnostic tool for you below. If registry organization or startup behavior is a concern, the maintenance resource below includes DirectX 10 references. If this diagnostic helped you resolve DirectX 10 error, please like the video and subscribe for more technical insights and system stability tips.